Hello YouTube. This video is going to be about this one guy. He's another YouTuber. I'm not going to name names, but he's been talking. He's been saying a bunch of things about the way my voice sounds because of just the way my voice sounds in general. And you know, he asked me why it sounds like, and I quote, why it sounded like someone shoved their nutsack down my throat the entire time. Now, of course, I'm talking about my Emperor's New Groove Theory pasta. I get it. I have a different sounding voice. Sometimes I don't open my mouth wide enough to talk. But that's probably because I have big teeth and a short tongue. It's the way I was made, it's who I am, and I don't care about what he said. And I know he's watching this because, you know, he's obviously trying to come up with other things to say against me, but I'm not really too worried about what he'll do. He doesn't even know where I live, so yeah. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about him. Thanks for watching.